have a small collection of cookbooks that sit in the corner of my kitchen, and I've accumulated a few more, and they've really started taking over the countertop space. So I've been looking at other options for where to place them. And I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do until I saw a picture of Drew Barrymore's kitchen. And I really like the idea of displaying the books with the cover facing forward. And the more I looked at images, I was pretty sure this was the direction I was going to take. And as I was looking at picture ledges, I was also looking around my kitchen for space where this could exist. And I decided on a wall opposite the entrance next to the window. The wall I chose is rather small, so I knew I was looking for a smaller shelf. And in my research, I came across IKEA's spice rack. And even in the photo, they had books displayed, so I knew this could possibly work, and it turned out to be the perfect size. And I also liked that they were made out of wood, so I could potentially stain or paint them if I wanted to. And that's what you've been seeing me assemble in the video. I ended up getting 4 of them to work with the height of my ceiling, but also the height of my reach. I wanted to upload this video as kind of an icebreaker for myself on the platform because I am still learning. And I feel in the past I used to work on a lot of projects, but recently I've slowed down quite a bit. And I wanted to start documenting everything that I'm working on, and maybe it's a way to hold myself accountable to work on more projects. And although this first video is about putting shelves up in my house, I do have a tendency to pick up on different crafts, and what I find that I enjoy about them is learning about the process. So maybe I'll show some of that. And speaking of learning, I am still learning, and it feels very weird to document. I'm also hoping to grow more confident as a speaker as I work through this. Anyway, back to the shelves. I did record this video a while ago, so some things have changed since then. Like, I got a new fridge in the kitchen. That's just how long it's taken me to put this together. They turned out nice. Bye.